Alright guys, Big Truck TV here. Thanks for clicking on this video. If you could, leave a like and subscribe. It'll help the channel out a lot. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do temporary rust repair on your car or truck. So you can see here, this was a hole in the driver's side back door that I filled with spray foam. Put some Bondo on top of it, sanded it all down, got it ready for a primer and paint. And this here is the after. I did the same thing with the back passenger door. As you can see right here. I sanded that all down, put a little Bondo on it, and this here's the after. And I did the same thing with the driver's side door in the front. There's a little hole I had to patch, and I sanded down all the bubbly, like rust over there. And that's the after of that. Alright guys, Big Truck TV here. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to remove surface rust off like a car or truck. As you can see, there's a little bit there, there's a little bit over here. Easy repair, so I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So we're going to start off by sanding down the truck, getting it to a clean surface. And once we got it all sanded down, we're going to spray it down, clean it, that way there we can get it ready for paint and primer. And we put the primer on, and then right after the primer, we do the paint. Alright, so we're going to do this door right here. Alright, so this is where we're at so far. I'm going to do it a little bit more and then get it ready for paint. Alright, so it's looking good. I got it pretty clean, so now I'm going to clean it and get it ready for paint. Alright, so we finished this entire side of the truck right here. You can see we went from rust, sanded it down to bare metal, put the primer on it, and then we painted it. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, like and subscribe. Follow my Instagram. On this truck I showed you guys how to do surface rust, and on the Jeep it was patching a hole with the spray foam. That's not the right way of doing it, but it's better than having to weld in metal, and if you want to do it quick. So yeah.